Welcome to Easy Learn Shai Gupta. Today I am going to start a new topic, that is linear equation. And in linear equation we can solve the many interesting questions, and linear equation is very important in mathematics, especially for the class 7 students, and it will help you to solve some of the sum in higher classes like 8, 9, 10 also. So first, to come how to solve the linear equation word problem, first you should know how to solve the simple equation. So if I have the questions like x plus 9 equal to 10, how you can find out the value of x? So what you will do, you will write x. So this 9 will come in the right hand side. When any number is coming from left hand side to right hand side, or from right hand side to left hand side, that is subtracted. 10 minus 9 equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Next question, suppose if 4x equal to 12, how you can find out the value of x? So what you will write, 12 divided by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So x is equal to 3. Another question, suppose x by 5 equal to 3. How you can find out the value of x? You will do the cross multiplication. X is equal to 5 3 ja 50. Okay. Some questions like question number 9 is, I am solving the solution of net just, you can see 5 is equal to 30. So you can write 2 by 3x is equal to 30 minus 5 is equal to 8. So what you can write, 2 by 3x is equal to, sorry, just you have to write according to the line. So now you will do the cross multiplication. 3 will multiply with 8 and it will be divided by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 12. Therefore the value of x is 12. Okay, so this kind of question you should know how to solve. Another question like 3q minus 7 is equal to 8. What is the value of q? It is not that you will get every time the x, every time you will find out the value of x only. Any variable they can give, any letter they can give, you have to find out the value. So what you will write, 3q, next step this will come. So this is negative side, when it will come here it will become positive. So the 8 plus 7 is how much? 8 plus 7 is 15. So 3q is equal to 15. So what will be the value of q? 15 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. So therefore the value of q is 5. So you please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot. Okay, those who have done with the screenshot and those who have written, let me solve another sum. Okay, let me write this one. Suppose if it is in a question 4x 3 minus 7x is equal to 2. So what will be the answer? 4 3 ja 12, 7 4 ja 28x is equal to 2. So then this 28x will go there and 12 minus 2 is equal to 10. So x will become how much? X will come here, so it will become 10 by 28. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 12. So the value of x is what? 5 by 40. Okay, you remember why this negative sign I have to keep as it is and 2 I have to bring here. So plus it will become minus. So in this kind of sum you can solve by yourself also. Now if it is given in the division form, what you can do? 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 7 is equal to 5. So 5x minus 7. So 3x plus 2 you can write. 5 into x is what? 5x, 7 5 ja 30. So what you can do? You can write 5x. This will come here minus 3x. It will become minus 30 come here, it will become minus 2. It will become how much? 35 plus 2 is what? Minus minus plus. Sign should be minus. So it will become minus 37 and it will become minus 2x. So what will be the value of x? This negative in both LHS and RHS you can cancel and you can divide by 37 by 2. Okay. No, this minus 5x plus 3x, yes. Now you can do that. Okay. So, in this way you can do that. Now, how you will do the decimal point, how you can solve? You please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot of it. Decimal point, how you can solve? Let me do. So it will come 0.7x minus 0.4x is equal to 0.8 minus 0.5, 0.3 equal to 0.3x. So it will become, therefore the value of x is 1. So you see, this I can divide. Now this 68, whenever you are converting from decimal, whenever you are removing the decimal point, you have to write 1, and after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. That digits are you have to write. So 34 1 and 34 2 68. So m will be how much? 2 by 1000. So it will become 0.00. Okay, because after decimal you have to keep 3 digits. That's why 3 zeros are here. So I hope it is clear to you. I have done all the different pattern of questions because if you understand the concept, if you take the concept of one pattern, you can solve thousands of questions based on that pattern. So try to have the concept. Doing the same sum with the same pattern again and again, it will not going to build your concept. So you please take the screenshot, and if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Let me rub this one. Let me rub. So now I am going to deal with the word problem. So you have to learn. You have to see the first word problem. Suppose if a question is there, a number increased by 5 is 16. Find the number. Okay. 16 minus 5 is 11. Therefore, the required number is x. Okay, therefore the required number is x. So easy. Okay, instead of giving this equation, they have written in the form of a word. Okay, you please take the concept. Okay, you please take the screenshot. Okay, let me run. Today I am going to solve the easy one, okay, so that you will have the concept. The sum of two consecutive numbers is 45. Find the numbers. Okay. Consecutive means one after another. So after one, what is step 2? After 2, what is step 3? So you have to consider like the consecutive number be what? First one will be x, another will be x plus 1. So sum means what? Add. Sum means addition. So what we will do according to the question? X plus 1 equal to 45. Now x plus x means 1 mango plus 1 mango. How many mangoes? 2 mango. So you will write twice x plus 1 is equal to 45. So what will be the value of x? Twice x is equal to 45 minus 1, it will become 44. So you can write 44 divided by 2, it will become 22. Therefore, the required number is 20. You please take the screenshot. I will explain each and every step. How this one is kept? Consecutive number. Consecutive number, why I have considered x and x plus 1? Consecutive means one after one another. Okay? 1, if you are considering 1 after 1, you are getting 2. How this 2 came? 1 plus 1. Okay? So that's why x have x plus 1. So you have to have this kind of solve. You should have the critical thinking. If your critical thinking is good, you can solve this kind of solve very easily. Okay, please take the screenshot. Okay, let me write that. This one. Now, next question, question number 4, if I write 5 times a number, is 75. Find the number. Therefore, 5 times what you will write, let the number be x. So it will be according to the question. So 5 will be 5 1 5, 5 2 25. Therefore, the required number is 50. Let us do the, this is also same. Okay, this question let me take. Okay, you please take the screenshot. 15 5 is 75. That's why I cancel with 15. 5 5 25, carry 2, 5 plus 2 is 75. Okay, you please take the screenshot. Okay, let let me do the last sum of this class. The angles of a triangle x, twice x and thrice x. Find the angle of the triangle. Find the angle of the triangle. Let the number be x. No, not the number. Let the angle. You try to take the concept. Let the given. Here you don't need to consider anything. Already it is given. So what we will write? Given angles of the triangle. What is equal to x? No, is x, twice x and thrice x. So we know what suppose this is a triangle. Here it is x given, here it is twice x, here it is thrice x. So remember one thing, sum of all the angle of a triangle is how much? 180 degree. Okay? Not it will be never greater than 180 degree. So what we will write? X plus twice x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree is equal to 6x is equal to 180 degree. So x will be 180 divided by 6, it will become 30 degree. Therefore what we will find? You are asked to find the angle of a triangle. You have got the value of x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30. Therefore twice x it will be how much? Value of x is 30. Twice x means what? 2 will be multiplied with 30 degree. So 2 3 are 60 degree. Now 3x it will become how much? 3 into 30 degree. Therefore 3 3 are 90 degree. Therefore the angles of a triangle are how much? 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That means the value of this angle is 30 degree, this is 60 degree and this is 90 degree. You add 60 plus 30 is 90, 90 plus 90 is 180